How to replace the power button board.
Caution. Observe all precautions when removing and replacing components. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless LAN module, hard disk drive, base plate frame, and display panel or touchscreen assembly. Removal. Gently lift up on the locking bar on the ZIF connector on the power button board and remove the power button board ribbon cable. Important. Use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the 2.5 mm P1 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the power button board to the top cover. While carefully pushing back on the tiny clip, lift the power button board off of its alignment post and out from under the guide tabs holding it in place. Lift the power button board out and place it into a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the power button board from its static dissipative bag. While using care not to pinch the power button board ribbon cable, tow the power button board under the guide tabs and into its compartment and over the alignment post in the top cover. Gently press down on the power button board to snap it into position. Replace the 2.5 mm P1 Phillips broadhead screw to secure the power button board to the top cover. Insert the power button board ribbon cable into the ZIF connector on the power button board and gently press down on the ZIF connector locking bar. Important. Use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Continue the reassembly. Replace the display panel or touchscreen assembly, base plate frame, hard disk drive, wireless LAN module, battery, and base enclosure.